What is going on, people? Welcome back to Double Clutch Auto Reviews, and thank you so much for tuning in for another video. My name is Mark, and this is my helmet cam footage of me riding along with James in his handmade Death Trap NB Miata track car. This thing is heavily modified and all done by himself with his family. Some of the modifications include an F88 big brake kit, a 949 Super Miata big grip kit. He's currently running a square setup with Hoosier R7 tires, 45 by 40 by 15, and he has a 2010 era spec Miata motor. And this is actually my first time ever being on a racetrack in a track car, driven by a racing instructor that he also built, driving it as hard as possible while I'm sitting passenger. So this was quite a thrilling experience for me. We go for one quick warm-up lap, and then at around 1 minute and 40 seconds in this video, he kicks it up to full tilt. So sit back and enjoy.
Dude, this thing grips like a son of a bitch. Except right there. Here we go. Yep. James, that was awesome, man. I had no faith in the tires. I'm like, there's no way it's gonna grip through that, and it did. Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, that was so much fun. Good stuff, dude.
Excellent.
Hell yeah.